Today we create a handwriting chalkboard effect in After Effects, so let's start. First, create a new composition. Simply click New Composition. I am using 4K for this. You can choose according your wish, HD or 4K. Now, we had to add a background which I download from Envato Elements that are offering a multiple digital design assets. You can check now, link in the description. Now dragging a background in a composition. You can see here this is not a right size, so we adjusting this with scale. Simply press S on keyboard and adjust the right size of the background. Now we add a text with text tool. Click here, new text layer will adding on composition. And we can type our text now. After that I am setting the right size and position of the text. I'm speeding up of this part to save your time. Now it's looking good. We can now do our text animation. First we select a pen tool, then we create a mask lines. We do this in the same direction that we would write a characters to create a natural handwriting look. Take your time and do this perfectly. I'm speeding up of this part to save your time. And next, we go to Effects, Generate, Stroke. Now select the text layer and go to Effects, then Stroke. Here we change a paint style to the last one, which is Reveal Original Image. Now you can see here text is not showing. First, we increase the brush size. See, our text is showing now. And now we animate with start and end like this. First, we add a keyframe on starting point and move some keyframes forward. Increase the value until the first letter not showing full. After that, move some frames forward and add a keyframe. And again do the same thing. Increasing the value until a letter not showing. Do this thing with all letters. Now our animation is complete. Let's play and see the results. This is faster. We adjust the speed of this animation with the keyframes. Now, this is looking better. That's for today. Click here to see more After Effects tutorials. And don't forget to support this channel with press a subscribe button and hitting the like button. Thank you.